You guys, if you're someone who enjoys working at night, like you feel more productive at night, why not do some jobs and make money while you're still up at night? So this job I'm about to share is good for people who are stay-at-home parents, or people who are looking to make money on the side, or even students who have some spare time at night to spare to make some money. So if this is something you're interested in, I'm going to share with you 5 real night jobs that you can do to make some money from the comfort of your home, what these jobs are, where you can find them, and how much you can potentially make doing this job. So but before we go into the video, if you're seeing this channel for the first time, I've been working from home for the past 3 years, and I've been sharing my experiences, my tips, and remote jobs generally here on this channel. So if it's something you're interested in, please consider liking and subscribing to be part of our growing community. So if you're someone who enjoys chatting and you like scrolling through your phone, you can as well do this at night and make some money by becoming a chat support agent. What you're basically going to do is to work with businesses who would want to be available 24 hours a day to be able to answer some queries from their clients. This is a very great selling point, because if a client is always having accessibility to the product or service, or having their queries answered at all times, it's going to give the businesses boost. So a lot of businesses are willing to pay people to be around all around the clock to answer some of these queries and give valuable and helpful information to their clients. So if this is something you're interested in, you can make anywhere from $10 to $12 per hour doing this job, and you can find this job on this platform. The name of the platform is Working Nomads. This is a place where you can find remote jobs, and as you can see, there is this one available right now. Then it's for social media chat and phone sales, and this one is going to pay you $600 to $200 per month, and you must know how to write and read in English to do this one. And this one is for phone and chat sales representative and tech support specialist and stuff like this. So you can find this job on this platform, so you might check it out and apply to get started. Hopefully it works for you. There are other websites as well you can check out, like Chat Shop, or you can check support.com to see if you can find jobs related to chat support agents that you can do to get started making money from the comfort of your home. And the second job I want to talk about is the one that I've frequently talked about on this channel, and that is transcription. Basically, all you're going to do is just listen to audio or video file, and then you type out what you heard on those audio and video file. Typically, this job is going to pay you per word you type, and what is needed is accuracy and speed, and that is why you have to be accurate by learning and practicing your typing. And to know your speed, you can as well practice and use platforms like typingtest.com to practice, to know how many words you can type per minute. That way you can stand a better chance of doing this job. And the job will require you to have gadgets like earphones to be able to listen properly and be able to type out what you heard properly. So you can get this job on platforms like GoTranscript, Rev.com, Scribby to be able to get started. But you have to know that most of these platforms might not really be offering transcription jobs in English language at the moment, because they have been around for a long time and they have gathered a pool of transcribers. So but if you come to GoTranscript.com, this is what the platform looks like, and as you can see, you can transcribe languages like Arabic, Chinese, Korean, and a lot of other languages here, as you can see on the screen. And you can make $3,600 per month if you're a top earner, and if you're an average earner, you can make $980 per month. And here you earn up to 1.11 cents per audio or video minute you transcribe on this platform. So you have to have a PayPal account or a Pioneer account to be able to receive your money. So if you're interested, you might want to check out GoTranscript.com to be able to get started working as a transcriptionist on this platform. So if you're someone who loves being creative and you're enjoying designs, jobs like graphic design is another job that you can do from the comfort of your home at night. Most times when the environment is quiet, that is when you get most of the inspirations to be able to be creative, to put something out for your clients. So this is a job that you can consider. And if you don't have graphic design skill, but you are passionate about being creative, you can go to YouTube and check out tutorials on how to begin with graphic design, and you can check out tools like Canva. I have the link to Canva in the description of this video, where you can get started. It's a free tool that is very beginner friendly. You can use to start learning how to put elements and icons together to create a design. So if this is something you're interested in, head over to Canva and start creating your design. And you can list your service on places like Fiverr, Upwork, people per hour, to be able to get clients that can hire you. Or you can start doing your freelancing work by showing your work on social media platforms for people to hire you, so you can start getting clients and start making money. On the average, you can make anywhere from $30 to $200 per hour with graphic design, depending on the client you're working with and the type of design you're going to be making. So if it's something you're interested in, you might want to check out graphic design. Again, if you're someone who is creative, but this time not with design but with writing, if you're good with putting things together on paper, then you might want to consider writing. And writing is something that is very broad, and most times when the environment is quiet, that is when you get most of the inspirations to be able to put something together. And with the emergence of AI, you have every tool you use. There is Grammarly that can help you with spelling and grammar and stuff like that you can actually use to put up a good writing. Now you may be wondering, why would somebody hire a writer at this time where there is ChatGPT and other AI tools? But the truth is, ChatGPT will not really be as creative as human, and even if you want to use ChatGPT, you have to generate the prompt for your ChatGPT to give you a result. And if you're not someone who is into writing or know what to put together, you will not really know how to put in the right prompts to give you the desired result. So that is why you have to go to places like YouTube, or you can search online on Google for free writing courses that you can take if this is something you're interested in, to be able to start putting something together and make money from the comfort of your home while doing it. And if you go to platforms like problogger.com, this is what it looks like. As you can see, there are lots of job listings here. This one is newsletter writing and research analyst. This one is linguistic based content writing. These are available jobs, although these jobs were posted last month, that are always looking for people to come in and help them with. As you can see, most of the jobs here are freelance and contract. Being contract, you can stay from anywhere and deliver on the job. So you can check out this platform. There are also other platforms like Container. There's Test Broker, where you can get writing jobs and start writing as a beginner from the comfort of your home. Alternatively, you can list your skill on places like Upwork and Fiverr to be able to get started doing this job. And on the average, you can earn anywhere from $25 to $500 per article, depending on the topic or the niche you're writing on and the platform that you're writing for. So this depends on the amount you're going to earn. Most times, writers are paid per word that they have written. So this is something you have to be able to bear in mind to get started writing and doing these jobs from the comfort of your home. Now, if you want to make your application fast, I want to make a tailored and customized application to any job at all, I have prepared a 12-in-1 job application bundle to help make your job application process fast and seamless, and so that you can stand a better chance of getting employed. So if something you're interested in, do well to grab a copy with the link in the description below. And if you've seen value so far in this video, please don't fail to like and subscribe so more people can get to see this video, and this is the only way you can support this channel. We're really grateful to all of you for your support so far. We appreciate you all. Now moving on, the last one we want to talk about today is virtual assistants. Now virtual assistant is one job that is broad. Like, they have different types of virtual assistants. You can be for social media management, it could be for Pinterest, for podcasts. There are different types of virtual assistants. So you choose the niche you're going to be in, like what you're going to focus on to be able to deliver on the job. You can be an all-round, a general virtual assistant that does everything depending on what you're interested in. Now, to get started as a beginner, you can go to Google and look for virtual assistant free courses that you can do. I'm sure you're going to find some there, or you can come to YouTube. YouTube is a free college for anybody that wants to learn anything. You're going to see a lot of videos and tutorials that are made on virtual assistants to get you started doing this job. And once you're good, you can sign up to places like Fiverr and Upwork to get clients doing the job. Or you can check out platforms like Fancy Hands, where virtual assistants always go to look for clients. So you can sign up with those platforms to get started as a beginner doing this job from the comfort of your home. You can do it at any time. That's the good part about all these work from home jobs. But mostly, if you are someone who is active at night, this is best for you to get started. So on the average, virtual assistants earn anywhere from $25 to $50 per hour, depending on the clients they are working for, doing this job as virtual assistant. So if you're interested, you might want to check it out. Now, if you're looking for remote jobs that you can do with your phone, you might want to check out this video, or other remote jobs that you might want to do well, check out other videos. Please don't fail to like and subscribe to our channel. We're really grateful to all of you for your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.